Algorand cost most certainly equivalent to $0.2170 a coin. Kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 0.2150–0.2240, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.2181, which basically is genuinely critical. The change for the most part was 0.0011, 0.50%, or so they sort of thought. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO in a sort of significant manner. Algorand value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.22. By and large most extreme 0.24, certainly least 0.20, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, most certainly least 0.20, which sort of is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.21, sort of greatest 0.22, especially least 0.20 in a kind of enormous manner. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.21, especially greatest 0.22, most certainly least 0.20 in a very significant manner. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.21, extremely greatest 0.22, by and large least 0.20, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Algorand figure on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.20, extremely greatest 0.21, fundamentally least 0.19, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.23, kind of most extreme 0.25, sort of least 0.21, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Algorand conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.23, truly most extreme 0.25, by and large least 0.21 in a significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.22, kind of greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20. In about 14 days Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, least 0.20, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.22, genuinely most extreme 0.24, genuinely least 0.20, which really is very huge. Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $0.21, truly greatest 0.22, most certainly least 0.20, which sort of is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.22, most extreme 0.24, certainly least 0.20 incredibly. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.21, sort of most extreme 0.22, genuinely least 0.20, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.22, genuinely greatest 0.24, all things considered, least 0.20, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.22, lovely least 0.20 in a sort of huge manner. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.21, truly greatest 0.22, especially least 0.20. Algorand figure on Monday, May 1, cost $0.20, kind of greatest 0.21, essentially least 0.19. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.22, sort of most extreme 0.24, genuinely least 0.20. Genuinely further appearance how Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.21, especially greatest 0.22, certainly least 0.20, which is genuinely huge. In about a month Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.22, truly most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20, which really is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.20, truly greatest 0.21, extremely least 0.19 amazingly. Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $0.21, most certainly greatest 0.22, least 0.20. Further appearance how Algorand estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.21, kind of most extreme 0.22, certainly least 0.20, or so they really thought. USD to ALGO conversion scale sort of equivalent to 4.6083 coins per $1, or so they explicitly thought. Today, S reach 4.4643 minus 4.6512, or so they by and large thought. The past day, S nearby 4.5851, which certainly is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0232, plus 0.51%, showing how the earlier day close 0.2181, or so they especially thought. USD to ALGO cost conjecture for, in the not so distant future in month, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.545 coins, for the most part greatest 5.000, in every way that really matters, least 4.167, which by and large is genuinely critical. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 4.545 coins, really greatest 5.000, truly least 4.167, exhibiting how the change truly was 0.0011, 0.50%, which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 4.762 coins, certainly most extreme 5.000, beautiful least 4.545, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 4.762 coins, extremely greatest 5.000, least 4.545, or so they really thought. In multi-week dollar to Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 4.762 coins, truly most extreme 5.000, kind of least 4.545, which truly is very critical. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 5.000 coins, most certainly greatest 5.263, especially least 4.762, showing how in about a month Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.22, greatest 0.24, kind of least 0.20 in a significant way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 4.348 coins, certainly most extreme 4.762, genuinely least 4.000, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 4.348 coins, kind of greatest 4.762, really least 4.000 in a genuinely significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost 4.545 coins, greatest 5.000, really least 4.167. So Algorand gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $0.22, especially most extreme 0.24, in every practical sense, least 0.20 amazingly. In about 14 days USD to ALGO forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 4.545 coins, greatest 5.